Ever stand in front of the fridge wondering what to cook for dinner? Here's a game-changing hack. Introduce theme nights to your weekly routine. Instead of facing the endless question of what to make, assign each night of the week a specific theme. For example, Monday could be pasta night, Tuesday tacos, Wednesday stir-fry, Thursday soup, and Friday homemade pizza. This simple framework instantly narrows down your choices, making grocery shopping faster and reducing decision fatigue. It also sparks creativity. Within each theme, mix up recipes to keep things fresh and exciting. Tacos can mean classic beef one week, fish the next, or even veggie-packed versions. Family members can look forward to their favorites and even help choose dishes for each theme, turning meal prep into a shared activity. Planning becomes easier, leftovers are more manageable, and you're less likely to resort to takeout or unhealthy options. Best of all, theme nights bring a sense of fun and anticipation to dinner, turning mealtime into something everyone can enjoy together and look forward to throughout the week.